The American icon has evolved, again. Sleeker, smarter, and sharper than ever before, the 2026 C8 Corvette is here to silence the doubters and thrill the faithful. In today's video, we're diving into everything that makes the 2026 C8 not just a worthy successor, but a potential legend. From its fresh design updates to the beastly powertrain hiding behind the seats, this one's for the true performance purists. Let's fire it up. The 2026 Corvette keeps its aggressive mid-engine stance but adds refinements that take it to the next level. Up front, redesigned LED headlights are sleeker and sharper, while new aerodynamic tweaks make it look faster standing still. Subtle but effective sculpting along the sides improves airflow and cooling. Around back, the taillights get a modernized look, and the quad exhaust is now integrated with a more sculpted diffuser for better aero and attitude. Inside, the 2026 C8 strikes a perfect balance between cockpit focus and everyday usability. The digital cluster has been upgraded with richer graphics, and the infotainment system is now faster, more intuitive, and wirelessly compatible with everything. Premium materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and Nappa leather dominate the cabin. Even the steering wheel has been resculpted for better grip, and yes, the squared-off design still makes you feel like you're piloting a fighter jet. Now let's talk firepower. The 2026 C8 comes with multiple trims, but the highlight? A tuned-up 6.2 LLT2 V8 pushing around 515 horsepower, a slight bump thanks to better cooling and recalibrated mapping. Paired with the lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, it rockets from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Magnetic ride control returns, now even more responsive, giving you comfort on the street and razor-sharp handling on the track. And while Chevy hasn't confirmed it yet, the whispers of an electrified Zora trim with close to 1,000 horsepower are only getting louder. The 2026 C8 Corvette proves one thing: America's sports car isn't just keeping up with Europe, it's chasing it down, passing on the left, and waving goodbye in the rearview mirror. So, is this the best Corvette yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you love performance cars, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of speed.